getting too many notifications in Microsoft Teams, or maybe you're missing important messages. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize Teams notifications for chats, mentions, meetings, and other activity so you can stay informed without constant interruptions. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and select your profile picture in the top right corner. Then choose Settings and open the Notifications section. This is where you can control most of your Teams alerts. Start with chat notifications. Depending on your Teams version, you can control alerts for messages, mentions, replies, and other chat activity. Choose the options that are most useful to you. Next, check your mention notifications. Mentions can be especially important because someone may be directly trying to get your attention. Keep alerts for important mentions while reducing notifications you don't need. Teams can also notify you about meetings, meeting starts, and other calendar activity. Review these options and decide which meeting alerts you want to receive. This is useful if you have a busy schedule. You can also review notifications for other Teams activity, such as reactions, replies, or changes related to your teams and channels. Turn off alerts that don't add much value, while keeping the ones you actually need. For specific channels, you may be able to customize notifications separately. Open the Channel's More Options menu and look for its notification settings. This lets you focus on important channels without receiving alerts from everything. If available in your version of Teams, you can also adjust notification sounds. Choose whether sounds should play for certain alerts or turn them down when you need a quieter workspace. This can make a big difference during focused work. When you need uninterrupted time, use your Teams availability or notification controls to reduce interruptions. You can also use Windows notification settings if you want to control how Teams alerts appear on your desktop, and that's how to change notifications in Microsoft Teams. Adjust chats, mentions, meetings, channels, sounds, and your overall notification behavior until Teams fits your workflow. So fewer distractions, fewer missed messages, and a much cleaner Teams experience.